The GE Profile Countertop Dishwasher brings full-size performance into a compact design. It is built for flexibility, and that is immediately clear. This unit offers 3 easy installation options. It can sit directly on the countertop. It can also be built in or installed neatly under the sink. That kind of versatility makes it stand out, especially for small homes. The included Unicouple makes faucet connections simple and fast. No complicated plumbing, no professional installation required in most cases. As a result, setup feels approachable. This dishwasher is designed for apartments, condos, RVs, basements, and even wet bars. It adapts easily, and that adaptability makes it practical for modern living spaces where every inch matters. Despite its compact footprint, the interior is surprisingly spacious. It fits up to 6 place settings at once. That means plates, bowls, cups, and utensils in one load. Even 11-inch dinner plates fit comfortably inside. In addition, it can handle up to 24 bar glasses. That capacity makes it ideal for small families or couples. It is also perfect for entertaining guests. Instead of washing dish after dish by hand, everything goes in at once. The layout feels intentional. Space is used wisely. Therefore, users get efficiency without sacrificing cleaning power. It feels like a full dishwasher, yet it occupies only a fraction of the space. That balance between size and function is where this model truly shines. Beyond capacity, the smart features elevate the experience. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows full control through the SmartHQ app from anywhere at any time. Users can customize wash cycles directly from their phone. They can monitor progress in real time. They can even receive alerts when a cycle is complete. That level of control adds convenience. It also adds peace of mind. Furthermore, additional features can be unlocked through the app. This makes the dishwasher feel future-ready. Technology is not just included, it is integrated in a meaningful way. For busy households, this smart capability simplifies daily routines, and it keeps everything connected. Performance is equally impressive. The dishwasher operates at just 52 dBA. That is quiet enough for small spaces. Conversations continue uninterrupted. Television volume stays normal. At the same time, it delivers ENERGY STAR certified efficiency. It reduces water use by over 75% compared to hand washing. That means lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Additionally, the Auto Open Dry feature improves drying performance in an eco-friendly way. The door automatically opens at the end of the cycle. This allows air to circulate naturally. As a result, dishes come out dry and ready to use. Overall, this dishwasher combines flexibility, smart technology, strong capacity, and quiet efficiency. It is compact, yet powerful, and it is designed for modern living. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product review.